in this quick tutorial I will show you how to find your Wi-Fi password in less than a minute if you are connected to it on a computer, laptop, PC or even a phone at the end of the video. So that being said, what you have to do, open the search bar in Windows 11 and search for control panel. Once you open the control panel, locate and press on network and internet, and once you are on this menu, try to find network and sharing center. And now we are halfway done. What you have to do at connections, you'll see your Wi-Fi network name, press on it and this Wi-Fi menu will pop up. Now what you have to do, select wireless properties and select security from above. And here you can locate your password. It's hidden, but you can mark show characters, and in this way you will be able to see your password and find it. So that's the way on a PC, computer or laptop, but now let's move on a smartphone. If you want to find your Wi-Fi password, your router password on a smartphone, open the Wi-Fi settings on your iPhone or on your Android smartphone. Once you are on the Wi-Fi settings, press on the network on which you are connected and you will see an info icon. I will select that and I will tap once on my password, and in order now to see the router password, the Wi-Fi password, your phone will ask for your security code for your phone password, PIN, fingerprint or Face ID depending what you have. Put it right here, and after that you'll be able to see your Wi-Fi password straight on your phone. I hope this tutorial helped you out to find your router password, and thank you a lot for watching.